Hello everybody, my name's Keith, and today I just thought I'd make a quick video. You hear about all these bot networks and Trojans that are infecting like Windows systems through the vulnerabilities out there, like the Outlook vulnerability. So this worm would get into your system somehow, and then it would start mining Bitcoin and sending it to the hacker's address with your resources, and you won't even know you've been infected. Anyways, if you check out my screen, I'll disappear here because I'm pretty boring, and I'll get OBS out of the way so you can see, or maybe I won't, but anyways, woo. There we go, guys. Look right here, silent miner, right here. And here's a UNAM downloader and silent ETH miner. These are all liked with 126 stars, 249 stars. They're all liked really good. And there's a binder, so all three of these programs, this one, and this one, they all work together. So you would use the binder to bind the downloader and send it to a computer, and then the downloader would then, let's click the downloader. This is the thing here. So UNAM downloader, a free silent downloader. It's open source downloader that can be built as a native C file. A downloader in essentially the same as a binder, although it downloads the files instead of storing them in memory. You can also see my other UNAM binder for a normal file called Native. Builds a final executable as native C 32-bit. Has no requirements. It's silent, so you don't even see it running, so it'll download and execute the files without any visible output. Tiny file final downloader, built usually less than 5 kilobytes depending on the amount. So this will go on the system and then it downloads the miner. Does everything through PowerShell, which currently greatly reduces detection. It supports all tested Windows versions. Windows Defender exclusions, can add exclusions into anti-Windows Defender to ignore any detection from the downloaded files, and it assembles the supporting adding an icon and or assembly data built to downloaders. Here, you can download this and test it out on your home network for educational purposes. All the links will be in the description. And it's a pretty crazy program. Let me read over the actual miner. So a hacker would have a downloader download this program to your system. You click main, his pool, his wallet address, and there's a password if required for the pool, which you really don't need a password. Mining build. Some hackers have 5,000 of these miners talking back to them. So, Silent XMR Miner version 1.4.4 based on Lime Miner version 3. List of algorithms. Main feature .NET coded in C programming. Requires .NET Framework 4.5. So you got to install that on the Windows machine. Injection silent/hidden. Hide payload behind another process like Explorer.exe. conhost.exe, scvhost.exe. Okay, press Control Delete right now and open your task manager. See if you have any of those programs running. I bet you $100 you have svchost running.exe. I will show you in the next video how to scan that and see if that is a stealth miner. Anyways, CPU and GPU mining can mine on both GPU and CPUs. Idle mining can be configured to mine at a different usage or not at all while computer is or isn't in use. So that means if somebody's using the computer, it'll stop mining. Or that's in stealth, pauses the miner and clears the GPU while another program's open. Watchdog replaces the miner file if removed and starts it if the injected miner is closed down. So if you figure out how to close this process down, the watchdog's just going to restart the process. Remote configuration, which means this miner will contact the command and control center, which is usually on Discord. And I've found a few Discord networks that are command and control centers for blackout miners and stuff like this. Like, people pay big money for miners, and then it bypasses Windows Defender again. So all three of these programs will bypass Windows Defender, so at least one will make it through. So you tell me and do your test and tell me what you think. I've already tested these programs, and after I get 1,000 likes, or no, let's say 400 likes on this video, I'll upload my results. Have a good day, and easy hack out, Mr. G Code. Bye bye.